Hey everyone, my name is Chase, and I'll be showing you guys a cool new feature in Quizlet. It's called Q-Chat. It's AI powered. It is a study tool built into Quizlet that can quiz you and ask you questions. First, I will ask it to quiz me. Then it asks me a question, and I have to put in an answer. And if you're wrong, it will tell you the correct answer. So here, I'll put in the wrong answer. And then it proceeds to show me the correct answer. And then it will keep on quizzing me from there. But I can also ask it a question. I will ask it, what is the Spanish word for head? And then it tells me. And then it will proceed to ask me another question. Obviously, answers will vary depending on the study set that you are currently using. Thanks for watching.